How to add money to Netspend card. For this, you can go ahead and log into your Netspend. For that, open a browser and search for netspend.com. After you land in the home page, at the very top you will find the login option, so make sure to log into your account first and foremost. Now to add money to your Netspend card, there are several methods. Firstly, direct deposit. You can arrange your paycheck or government benefits to be directly deposited on your Netspend card. Second is bank transfer. You can link your bank account to your Netspend card and transfer funds electronically through your Netspend online account or mobile application. You can also cash reload by visiting participating locations like Walmart, CVCs, or 7-Eleven to load cash onto your Netspend card at the register. You can also mobile check deposit, that is, using your Netspend mobile app. You can also direct your tax refund to be deposited onto your Netspend card. You can add money via PayPal as well. For this, you have to link your Netspend card to your PayPal account, and you can easily transfer funds between these two applications. However, ensure to check any associated fees or limits for each method before proceeding. And those were some of the methods to add money to your Netspend card. Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.